Welcome back to Primetime News and a special welcome to viewers on onespotmedia.com and those of you watching on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. Up first this evening, the Electoral Office of Jamaica has rejected claims in a viral social media post that over 17,000 spoiled ballots were recorded in the St. Andrew West Central constituency. Prime Minister-elect Dr. Andrew Holness defeated the PNP's Paul Buchanan in the constituency by over 2,000 votes. However, his win has come under increased scrutiny as Mr. Buchanan was leading hours into the preliminary counting Wednesday night. But the EOJ has maintained that there was no tampering of the ballot boxes. This is the picture that is being circulated on social media. It brings into sharp focus the St. Andrew West Central constituency, stating that there were over 17,000 spoiled ballots during the preliminary count. The picture also listed the Electoral Office of Jamaica as a source of the information. But on Sunday, the EOJ responded in a press release describing the picture as fake and urging the public to desist from spreading false information. It said the EOJ is aware of public utterances and graphic posts on social media perpetuating false information about the transportation of ballot boxes and the counting of ballots and claiming to be from EOJ sources. These include unfounded claims of missing and uncounted ballot boxes, as well as a grossly inaccurate number of spoiled ballots in one constituency. The EOJ is also reminding the public that the preliminary counting of ballots took place in the presence of indoor agents representing at least 2 candidates or political parties, and in some cases in the presence of election observers. The organization also stressed that ballot boxes were strictly monitored by indoor agents and escorted by the police to the counting centers. The EOJ is stating clearly that all 7,294 general election ballot boxes and all 109 local government by-election boxes have been accounted for. Meanwhile, the EOJ said up to midday on September 7, the final count for the September 3 general election was completed in 61 constituencies. The counting of ballots for the other 2 constituencies continues with returning officers in the presence of the candidates and/or their representatives.